Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, and today we got a trout rod and we're gonna go fishing in the creek with these little trout lures. Using a little Shakespeare micro blue with a laser strike rod. I just found this rod. So it's an ultralight. I don't really have any ultralights, so I just got this rod. There's some weird fish in here. I've never been here to fish, but there's some, like, I think they're called suckers, creek suckers or something. I have no idea what they're called. I don't see it anymore, the big trout. There's two fish eating each other in here, big fish. One was trying to swallow the other and they were both the same size. I don't know if they're a big largemouth. Probably since they ate each other, but because I was thinking trout, but they can't be trout because trout have way too small mouths. Okay, we're just gonna let it sit over there. I broke off. Alright, let's get tied back up. We've got our hook box right here. Let's get us a swivel. A little barrel swivel right there. So let's tie this up. I use the Palomar knot. Sorry about all the shaking. I got y'all tied up to a branch. Get the scissors. Cut. Alright, so this box I made, and find that out a little bit. So I might try that crankbait, but I really don't feel like getting treble hooks out of a bass or whatever, baby bass. So we got this assortment of colors right here. Probably gonna use this one right here, chartreuse and orange. And we're gonna use one of these. No, probably not that one. Probably gonna use this silver hook right there. Little chub right there. As you also always got that little chub. Put this hook on this swivel. Put it on the wrong way. And it's just this little fork tail. I've been getting bites on the brown and white one, so I'm gonna try this one, see if I can actually get them to eat it. There it is right there. Then a little split shot up there.
Minutes later.
We just switched it up to the beetle spin right here. I've caught a lot of fish on this, so hopefully they'll bite this. I still got the split shot. I broke off again after that last clip. This little rainbow trout right here. Actually, it's the next day we're out here. I'm actually in the water. Got the little rod again. I caught a couple, which I'll put pictures up right here. I didn't get any of them on camera. So we're just out here, see if we're gonna catch anything. It's about knee deep. Alright, so the bait I'm using today is the black beetle spin. I got the white one in my pocket right there, just a little grub tail. So if we don't catch it on the black one, I'll try the white one. We're just in this little river. Hey, welcome back. It's probably like a week later. So this is pretty much part 3 of this series. So we're out here in the river. There's a big trout up under this tree right here that I'm trying to get. Trying to pull him out of there. He's bit a couple times. Haven't been able to get him yet. I got the hook right there, so I'm gonna throw back in there and see if we can get anything. Just got this little chub right here where the trout was. It's almost like a little rainbow trout. That's funny. We're gonna release him real quick. We got a catfish. I'm gonna fight him. Oh yeah. Yes, I'm using a pink push button. It's my mom's. I got too big of a weight, so it just sinks to the bottom. So I'm just gonna use this right here. And recast. Didn't cast that good. I think I lost the chicken.